It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're motorcycle camping again. So this time I didn't bring my tent. We're here in a little caravan because me and my girlfriend decided to go together on the CB500X, and last time we did that, we did it with a tent and it was doable, but it was so last minute this time that we decided just to drop the tent and just go the easy way and not bring so much stuff. We are in the south of Belgium. It's like the place I go most to, I guess, the last couple of years. It's really beautiful here. It's the same camping I did with my dad last time, just like 2 months ago. We were there, that's where the tents were, and now we're here in this little caravan. I'm here with my girlfriend, and my girlfriend's still sleeping because it's early. It's like 7 o'clock. But I'm awake, can't sleep. So I decided to go to the bakery and get us some breakfast. So let's go. Morning rides, they keep amazing me. I'm not really a morning person, so I don't really do it often, but if you just ride and come across this, it's something just really special. So yeah, I'm on my way to the bakery, but I'm just gonna take a quick time lapse here because it's just amazing. Made it back, we ate, but then it started raining. And it's still raining, and I looked at the forecast and it says it's gonna rain the whole day. So yes. We are here at the walk. Very cool here. Very watery.
Very cold water.
Yeah. And yeah, it's raining a bit, but it's not really that bad. We rode here a bit, and then we just came across this little walk, this sign that said there is waterfalls, but I think it's just little waterfalls. So yeah, Tilo is having fun.
Wacht jongen, nee. Hop 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 hop. Hop 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 hop. Hop hop hop.
It's really steep here. And am I the only one that when we're walking and we see this awesome like hill climb, you're just thinking, wow, this would be so cool with a motorcycle. Except here in Belgium and in the Netherlands and all the countries that I'm close to, there is no off-road possibilities. Like this is not allowed with the motorcycle. Just yeah, I'm sure the people that live close by understand the struggle. New dawn, second day. Look at this beautiful weather. If that isn't pretty, I don't know what is. I had to change locations because I was waking people. I just noticed this little curtain opening. This guy like looking at me like, what are you doing at 7:30 in the morning talking English to the camera? Yeah, I changed to the location that I'm usually at with the tent, actually, with the river there. And I see the water is really high because it's been raining like a lot this summer. So yeah, the plan is to go kayaking today. But now that I noticed the water, I think it's gonna be quite a challenge. And we brought our dog Tilo, and we're gonna take him with us with like a swimming suit. We've done that before. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be okay to do that. What? I just turned around. Completely turned around. Let's see Sylvia. Spannend, hè? En ook een steeds sneller liggen. Ja. Is zo, wow, dan ga je snel.
Het is zo gemakkelijk.
Nee, hè? Je moet gewoon opletten. Cinematic. En snelling. current there. Hear the people screaming behind me? Oei, die zijn omgekanteld. Ja, too bad for them. Alright, current. I am wet. I am wet. Very nice. Saw that dog. Oh my god. It's just point A to point B. Doesn't matter what time you have. So we're gonna take the full experience, have a little break during our route. I brought some juice. Alright, break time's over. Let's go. I am wet, very wet. We are at the end of the kayak. We are at the end of the route. I can see the stop sign.
No! What are you doing? Kilo is getting scared. Don't do that.
Follow me. Follow the leader. Oui, je sais.
You can go there.
Yes. Pas op hè, remmen hè. Okay. Can I exit or?
No.
Ah, voilà. Yes. Nope. Wanneer kunnen we een snack eten? So we did the kayaking, it was really great. Then we visited like the waterfalls, the Waterfalls it's called. And now we're doing the 1000 turns GPX track that I've done before and showed on my channel. It's like this perfect route for motorcycles, just twisties all the way, nice views, great riding. So yeah, this is awesome. It's new dawn, it's day 3, still here, still camping. But now we're cleaning our stuff because we're leaving. We're gonna visit this huge lion monument and then we're gonna go home. But okay, we have to be gone by a certain time, so I'm gonna... Alright, all packed up. We brought everything. Sun is shining. Let's go. We've made it to the location and there is special motorcycle parking. I like that so much. I think that's relatable if there's special motorcycle parking. Alright, the trip is done. We're gonna leave. We're gonna ride home. This is a really great place to come. This is called Le Lac du Gilep. Gilep. Beautiful lake, a big statue of a lion, and a place to eat some pancakes like we did. Yes, that was a good recommendation, this place. And now I want to do the outro because we're just gonna ride home. Maybe just ride around a bit and then ride home. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. And now, bye bye!